In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WP Forms. We'll start inside your WordPress admin dashboard, since that's where the entire setup takes place. Once you're logged in, head over to Plugins and then click Add New. This is where you can browse and install new tools for your website. In the plugin search bar, type in WP Forms. When it appears in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin is what adds WP Forms to your dashboard so you can begin creating forms right away. After that, look in the left-hand menu for WP Forms and click Add New. This opens the form creation screen. Here, you'll give your form a name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different pages or purposes. Then choose a template that matches what you need, or start with a blank form if you want full control from the beginning. Next, use the drag and drop builder to customize your form. You can add fields, remove ones you don't need, or rearrange them into a better order. If you click on any individual field, you'll also be able to adjust details like the label, placeholder text, and visibility settings. This is useful for making the form clearer and easier for visitors to complete. Once your layout looks good, click Save in the top right corner. Saving at this stage helps make sure your progress is stored before moving on to form behavior and email settings. Now, inside the form builder, go to Settings and then Notifications. This is where you control where form submissions are sent. Make sure the send to email address is set to the correct inbox where you want to receive entries. This is an important step because if this email is incorrect, you may miss submissions from your visitors. After that, go to Settings and then Confirmations. This lets you decide what people see after they submit the form. You can customize the confirmation message or choose to redirect them to a different page instead. This is helpful if you want to thank users, give them next steps, or send them to a dedicated confirmation page. When you finish those settings, click Save again so all your changes are applied. The final step is to embed the form into a page or post on your WordPress site. Add the form where you want it to appear, then click Publish or Update on that page. Once that's done, your form will be live and ready for visitors to use, and that's how to set up WP Forms from installation to publishing.